Welcome at Eman's Kitchen. Welcome at Eman's Kitchen. Welcome at Eman's Kitchen. Soft work shrimp soup with cream. Shrimp soup with cream has its lovers and its distinctive taste. We will make it in your kitchen in a clean way and at low costs. Ingredients for shrimp soup with cream: half a kilo of peeled medium shrimp, minced garlic, a small spoonful of salt, a big spoon of ground cumin, a small spoon of dry coriander, small spoon paprika, a small spoonful of black pepper, diced potatoes, optional, lemon juice. Cream ingredients: 1/2 cup whipping cream, 1/2 cup cream cheese, 1/2 cup shredded shaved salt, black pepper. The modus operandi of shrimp soup with cream: we'll wash the shrimp well and soak in water and vinegar for 1/4 of an hour. Then with a spoon of butter, we fry the shrimp from all directions. In a pot on the fire, we put the onion and garlic with a spoon of oil and stir them until their color is yellow. Then add the whipping cream, a spoonful of tomato sauce and cream cheese, then the chopped mushrooms. Add the spices and adjust the salt. Finally, we stir and add the shrimp after filtering it from the water. Adornment: garnish the face with chopped parsley,